My name is Jayant. Welcome to Maths with Jayant. Today we are going to start with the new chapter of mensuration. And in mensuration, in today's video, we are going to discuss about perimeter. But before perimeter, let us understand what is mensuration. So what is mensuration? So mensuration is the branch of maths. So it is a branch of maths. So that deals with measurement. So mensuration deals with measurement. So it deals with the measurement of what? Of geometrical quantities. So it deals with the measurement of geometrical quantities. And some examples of these geometrical quantities are perimeter, area, and volume. So in today's video, we will be discussing about perimeter, area and volume I will discuss in the upcoming videos. Now perimeter is a one-dimensional quantity, area is a two-dimensional quantity, and volume is a three-dimensional quantity. Today we are going to discuss about perimeter. So let us start with today's topic. So now let us see what perimeter is. So right now drawn a shape over here. This is a rectangle. So what is perimeter? Perimeter is the total length of the boundary of the shape. So it is the total length of the boundary of a shape. Let us understand what this means. So what is the boundary of the rectangle? This is the boundary of the rectangle, right? So, what is the length of this boundary? This length is called the perimeter. Let us take an example over here. So, right now I've got this. I've got a block. So, if I wrap a piece of thread around it, so like this, I wrap the piece of thread around it. So, the length of this thread is going to be the perimeter of this. So, this happens to be about 29 centimeter, which I measure with my scale. So, the perimeter of that shape is 29 centimeter. So, it is the total length of the boundary of a shape. Now, let us have a look. Perimeter exists in what and where it does not exist. So, over here, what can you see the difference? Is there a difference between this shape and this shape? We see that this shape is a closed figure. Is a closed figure or a closed shape, and this is an open figure or an open shape. So in this closed figure, if there's something inside, it can only go out if it passes through its boundary. While in the open figure, it can just come out through here without passing through the boundary. So in open figures, the perimeter does not exist. Yes, in open figure, the perimeter does not exist. It exists only in closed figures. Now let us have a look at these two shapes. This is a rectangle and this is a cuboid. Now what is the difference in these two? We see this is a two-dimensional shape because it has two dimensions, length and breadth. Whereas a cuboid is a three-dimensional shape which has three dimensions. It has this dimension, the length, then it has this dimension, the breadth, and this dimension, the height. So, in three-dimensional shapes also perimeter does not exist. It exists only in 2D shapes. So that means that a perimeter can exist in this card because this is 2D. It just has a length and a breadth. Whereas I take this maths book. So in this book, we see that this is a 3D shape because it has a length also, a breadth also, and a height also. That is why the perimeter does not exist. Now let us move on to the perimeter of irregular figures. So now we will see perimeter of irregular figures like this. So let us take a point. Let us take a point over here. We start at a point on the boundary. Let us take point A. So we will go in a direction and we will try to go in this direction, and then we will come back to point A. So, and on all ways we are going to add them, because once we add them we will get the perimeter of the total length of the boundary, because we are given the length of all sides. If we add them, we will get the perimeter, we will get the length of all the sides, and that is the length of all sides is the length of the boundary, and the length of the boundary of our shape is called the perimeter. So let us start. From point A we go like this. So first we will take 12 centimeter. From this what will we add? Now we will add 11 centimeter. Then we will add 9 centimeter. From here we will go like this. 9 centimeter. Then we will add 7 centimeter. And then finally we will add 10 centimeter. And now you will notice we would have reached back to point A. And all these dimensions are in centimeters, note that. Now when we add all of this, let us first add step by step. 12 plus 11 is 23. 23 plus 9 is 32. 32 plus 7 is 39 plus 10 is 49. So our answer is 49. But it is 49 centimeter. The perimeter always needs to have this unit. Specifying the unit is very important. Because all the dimensions are in centimeter, the summed up dimension will also be in centimeter. So this is the perimeter of the figure. Now let us solve these practice questions. So before we solving these, pause this video right now and give these questions a try. Okay, so now let us solve these questions. First, let us start off with question number A, where we have this type of an irregular figure. So what do? We take a point. Let us take point A over here. We take point A. So we go like this and we add all the dimensions that come in our way. So first we start off with 12. So first we add 12 centimeter plus, now we go here and we add 7 centimeter. Then we add 3 centimeter. Then we add 5 centimeter. So like this we have gone. Now let us go here. So this becomes 4 centimeter. Now we go up plus 7 centimeter. And then finally we come down again with 7 centimeter. So this is going to be the perimeter. And when we add all of this, so let us add this. 12 plus 7, 19 plus 3, 22 plus 5, 27 plus 4, 31 plus 7, 38 plus 7, 45. So we get 45 centimeters. So this is the perimeter. So the perimeter is 45 centimeter. Let us solve question number B now. So over here, did you notice something? This dimension and this dimension is missing. So sometimes what happens is that we get missing dimensions like these. So before solving this, we'll have to figure them out. How do we figure this out? So over here, you see that this dimension is a combination of this plus this plus this. If we could move them, then we will move them like this, and then we'll see that this line is actually a combination of all of this. So this dimension is going to be 5 centimeter, because 5 centimeter then 3 centimeter plus 2 centimeter, and this becomes 10 centimeter. So this is 10 centimeter. Same way we are going to solve this. So over here also we see that this line is a combination of 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So we can do 4 plus 5 plus 6, and what is that? It is 15 centimeter. Now we will add all of this and we will get the perimeter of this figure. So let us go start from here and name this point X. So let us start. First we go on to 15 centimeter. Then we go like this and add 10 centimeter. Then we add 6 centimeter. Then we add like this 5 centimeter. Then we add 5 centimeter. Then we add 3 centimeter. Then we add 4 centimeter. And finally we add 2 centimeter. Now when we add all of this, what will the perimeter be? Let us add all of this. 15 plus 10, 25 plus 6, 31 plus 5, 36 plus 5, 41 plus 3, 44 plus 4, 48 plus 2, 50. So this becomes 50 centimeter. So this is the perimeter of this figure. So hope you understood perimeter. And in our next video we will discuss the perimeter of regular shapes like square, rectangle and triangle. Let us just recap what we have learned. So let us summarize. First, we learned that perimeter is the total length of the boundary of a shape. So if I draw a shape here, it is the total length of the boundary of this shape. Then we learned that this perimeter exists only in 2D closed shapes. That means it would not exist in open figures and nor would it exist in 3D shapes. So in these figures it won't exist. Then we saw if we have to figure out the perimeter of an irregular shape, we take a point and we name it anything. Then we go in a particular direction and we add up all the numbers that come in the way. And that sum is going to be the perimeter of the figure. So hope you understood. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.